Last-minute food gifts. Christmas is nearly here, but there's still time to find the perfect present for the foodie on your list. Try these quick and easy food gifts ideas. Coffee is always an excellent gift for coffee drinkers. Go for something unique, or try something higher end the recipient might not splurge on for him or herself. Fine coffee making tools, like a French press or mocha pot, are also a great idea. Check out Coffee Fashion for ideas. Or, if the recipient is a tea drinker, consider a fine new teapot or a collection of unique teas. It's hard to go wrong with chocolate. Select the finest chocolate you can find and, if the recipient likes to cook, include some baking chocolate and a great recipe. For ideas on unique chocolate types, visit Choclarius. Cooking implements are a fun choice for friends and family who love to cook. What chef couldn't use a new apron? Or a new cookbook? Or a few new kitchen gadgets? If you like, create a theme for a basket full of goodies. For example, a hot basket could include several types of salsa and hot sauce, along with a Mexican cookbook. Do you make a mean spice rub? Bottle it up in a jam jar, print out a label for it, and give it as a gift. Do you make your own lavender sugar or vanilla extract? Those make terrific gifts, too. Home canned goods are trendy and delicious. If you can yourself, almost anything from your pantry is a rare treat for those who don't. Jams, fruit butters, berry syrup, tomato paste, and beautifully canned fruits all make beautiful gifts. If you don't can, you can still give the gift of homemade goodness. Farmers markets often have home canned foods that make fantastic gifts. Bake home canned goods. Even if you don't can, here's an easy recipe that gives the trendy home canned feel. Mix 2 cups of rinsed, assorted brune olives, 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes, 1/2 teaspoon fennel seeds, 2 bay leaves, 4 4-inch strips of orange zest, and 2 tablespoons white wine vinegar. Pour this mixture into mason jars and fill each jar with more oil. Keep refrigerated. For those who like candy canes are easy to make into homemade gifts. Try dipping them in chocolate, dark, milk, or white. Allow the chocolate to set for about 5 minutes, then roll in nonpareils. Allow to dry at room temperature.